Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set call recording in Samsung Mobile. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set call recording on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open this phone app, click on the three dots at top right, select settings, click on record calls. Now, to automatically record the call, just go ahead and turn on auto record calls. Now, when next you have an incoming call on your Samsung phone will automatically record the call once you pick up the call on your phone. So let's say this. Pick up the call. You should say stop recording. That shows the call is being recorded. If I end this particular call and I repeat the same thing I did earlier, to come back to keypad, click on the dot at top right, click on settings, click on record calls, click on recorded calls. Then this is my last recorded call. So just go ahead and play it. You can now listen to the record calls. Automatically. To stop it. You see that? So that is basically what you need to do to set call recording in Samsung Mobile. And if you want to stop auto recording, click on record calls and then turn off auto call recordings. With this, you need to manually click on the call recording on your Samsung phone each time you have an incoming call like this. Once you pick up the call recording will not start it automatically. So you need to go ahead and click on record to start recording instantly. And once you are done, you may choose to stop the call recordings or terminate the call. And then you are good. So that is basically how to set call recording in Samsung Mobile. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.